Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you how to change this rusty old hose. It's pretty easy. At first you have to shut the valve. As you can see, it is shut already. I'm using my mobile phone because I couldn't set up my camera here because this space is really tight. I'm sorry for the shaking in the movie. So I'm just going to loose up this part. It's pretty loose, I think, okay, because these kind of hoses, they don't need a lot of tightening, okay. Just see, okay, I'm just fastening it now, so sorry, it's very difficult to concentrate with the phone in my hand. You see, it's loose. Okay, so just let's remove it. And there's a part up there, okay? To remove that I have to use a different size of wrench. Okay, the only trick that you have to know before you open this side, this end, is that these plastic parts usually rotate when you tighten up or loosen up this side of the hose, okay? So let's try loosening it up so it won't rotate. I hope it rotated a little bit, but it is alright now. I'm going to use my hand just to remove it. Okay, it's done. Okay, here's the new one. So the one side is small and the other side is a little bit bigger. So the bigger side goes inside. As you can see, there's a washer in there, okay? So it's going to stop any kind of leaking in the future. So let's put it there. Use my hand to fasten it to some extent. The good thing, as I told you earlier, is that they don't need much fastening because of that washer in there. Okay, and then let's install this part. Okay. I fastened it as much as I could with my hand. Now I'm going to use the wrench to make it tighter, a little bit, not much. I think this will do for now. Okay, I'm going to do the same for the one up there. Let's a little bit more. Okay, I think it is alright now. Okay, let's do the one up there. As you can see, when I'm trying to fasten this, the white pipe also moves, okay? This is not really good, but as we don't need much fastening, okay, I think this will do. So let's open the water and see if there's any kind of leakage. Okay. I don't see any leakage, but I think I will have to wait for a couple of minutes and then check it. The thing with these works with water pipes and hoses is that you have to keep an eye on these parts that you change for a couple of days to make sure that there is no leakage. So if there is any kind of leakage, you have to take the necessary measures.